How am I supposed to make design decisions when I can't even picture the end result? What if I don't like the end result? That's the nightmare I can't shake, because once it's built, it's built.
When planning a kitchen, bath, basement, main floor remodel, or any addition to your house, the wrong design or lack of inspiration can ruin everything. Here are 5 steps to avoid design mistakes that can derail your remodeling project. Step 1. Observe daily life. Track where everyone cooks, drops gear, relaxes, or gets ready, so new layouts serve real routines. Step 2. Map activity zones. Group cooking with cleanup, separate wet and dry areas in baths. Carve out media corners in basements, and keep walkways clear on the main floor. Step 3. Collect visuals. Build inspiration boards with magazine clippings, Pinterest pins, and showroom snapshots. Then note common colors, textures, and storage solutions you love. Step 4. Handle materials in person. Visit local showrooms, parade homes, or friends' recent remodels to feel countertop samples, open cabinet drawers, and test lighting warmth before you lock in selections. Step 5. Set an idea budget. List must-have features and nice-to-haves, then align them with a realistic range so dreams and dollars stay in sync. You can also download our free idea book today for thousands of design ideas, trend tips, and project photos. Just visit ironwoodcustombuilders.com to learn more about us and schedule a call.